Welcome to our video on cholesterol, an essential substance for maintaining heart health. Cholesterol plays a vital role in our bodies, but it's important to understand its impact on our cardiovascular system. Let's dive deeper into the different types of cholesterol, LDL and HDL. LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol, can help reduce the risk of heart disease. While raising HDL cholesterol alone may not have a significant impact on cardiovascular health, it can be beneficial when it lowers LDL cholesterol. There are various lifestyle changes we can make to improve our cholesterol levels. Increasing fiber intake, eating more fish, using healthy oils, drinking alcohol in moderation, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and quitting smoking are all effective strategies. In some cases, lifestyle changes may not be enough, and medication may be necessary to lower cholesterol levels. One common type of cholesterol-lowering medication is statins. To summarize, cholesterol is crucial for our bodies, but we need to maintain a healthy balance. Understanding the difference between LDL and HDL cholesterol and making lifestyle changes can help improve our heart health. Remember, it's never too late to take steps towards improving your cholesterol levels and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to help others by sharing the ones who need it.